Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here and I'm going to be bringing you guys my first video of 2021. Now I know it's been about a month or so since I last posted, but you know, like, your girl went on vacay, self-care, all of that. So in today's video, I really just kind of want to like share with you guys some of my plans for 2021. I don't really want to call them goals because I feel like sometimes like goals just don't get accomplished. So I just want to call them things I have to do. So that's kind of what this video is going to be about. If you're looking for, you know, some like just good words, good thoughts, this is going to be the video for you. But before all of that happens, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Come on, y'all. You know, it's a new year, new vibes. So go ahead and just click that subscribe button down below, as well as give this video a thumbs up, and be sure to follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are _it's Gilly. Now let's jump into today's video, y'all. So I'm like trying to be all like prepared and organized for today's video instead of my usual rambling. So I actually like wrote down things that I wanted to discuss with you guys. So, first and foremost, I know that I'm not the most consistent YouTuber, so I'm really trying hard. Like, definitely one of the things that I have to do this year is be way more consistent with my YouTube channel, because I just know that my channel just has the potential to just grow so much more, but like just through my own fault it hasn't. But also, like, I mean, I make excuses all the time that I'm like busy with school. I also have my internship, you know, extracurriculars, all this other stuff. But this year I'm definitely going to try to put a more like heart effort into making this happen. So keep watching. That's just going to make me jump into a couple of other things that I really want to accomplish this year. This year, I'm really trying to like focus on me. We're still technically in quarantine and whatnot. If you live in the USA, that depends on what state you are, what city you're in. It's a whole mess. But we're still living in a whole panoramic, a whole pandemic is happening. So this year, I'm trying to really focus on me, myself, getting my life together. I am going into my last, semester of pharmacy school classes, and then after this semester I'm just going to be doing rotations for a year, and rotations get really crazy, really hectic. So basically I'm trying to use this semester to get my life in order, get my sleep habits in order, get my exercise routine down, get my eating habits right, like just kind of balance things out a little bit more instead of just like winging it the way I normally do. And it's like my issue is usually is that I'm a good winger. Like, I really can procrastinate and wing a lot of things and it works out, but it also causes me a lot of stress and anxiety. So I'm really trying to like decrease that by like just staying on top of things more and actually using my planner like I used to. I just feel like the whole pandemic threw my entire life off, just because it was just like, who cares? Like, I'm at home, like I don't care. But I'm really trying to like make an effort to get up every day, get dressed, not wear, you know, freaking baggy pants or leggings and whatnot. Just make an active effort to get dressed, be prepared, be like there for the day that's going to happen. So that's definitely one of my goals. Another one of my goals that's like just really focusing on me is just kind of like not being afraid of like acknowledging the fact that I'm smart, you know, like I know what I'm doing. And like I feel like a lot of times I try to remain in the background because, like, I don't know, I have a fear of people knowing that I know things, which is a very strange, I don't know why that is. It's just a very strange thing. And I do really love being low key. I don't really like people like knowing things about me. So like, I think this year I definitely want to like get out of my comfort zone a lot more and just like not be afraid to be like a boss ass bitch, you know? And there's really no other way to put it. So this year I'm definitely trying to do that because there are a lot of things that I feel like require for me to really step up and be super confident in what I'm doing. So unless I like get comfortable with being that person, then I'm not going to accomplish a lot of things this year. So that's definitely a priority. Another priority is to definitely get my like weight under control, because since I started pharmacy school, I've definitely gained about like 20 to 25 pounds. And the thing for me with my weight is that like I'm not bothered by how much I weigh, because like ultimately, like, I know I always look good and I'm a bad bitch, like, but that's the problem too, right? Is like, I want to like lose weight and like just kind of be healthier, like physically healthier. So that's one of my goals for this year. So stay tuned for a lot more like health fitness videos, like meal prep videos, that kind of stuff. I'm really going to try to incorporate you guys into what I'm doing, to kind of inspire you guys to do it, but also to hold myself accountable, because I feel like if I have to film it and show you guys, then like I'm like being accountable. And that's also something else I'm doing for accountability, because I'm really good at talking myself out of doing things. I've like shared my like yearly things to do with my like close friends, and they're supposed to like kind of check up on me every quarter or so and see what I'm doing and call me out on my BS, because sometimes I have a lot of BS. So that's kind of where I want this year to start. I want to be more positive. I really want to let things like not bother me, because I definitely like tend to have really quick like reactions to things, but I really want to like be more mindful of the situation and just like remember that honestly nothing matters, and just keep doing what I'm doing. So that's another thing. And I also want to get like my mental health together. Like I said, I cause myself a lot of stress and anxiety by procrastinating and having to wing so many things. So seeing as like I'm like my own worst like nightmare, I'm trying to fix that myself, you know, do those things. And like, that's not going to happen overnight. Like, that's really not what I'm telling y'all. I'm just trying to share with you guys what I'm like trying to do. If you guys need a support system, you guys want to talk about it down below in the comments, I'm more than willing to like kind of help you guys move forward and all of that. So, you know, let me know what you guys are planning for this year. Just a couple of other things. Like I already kind of talked about my YouTube channel. Like I really want to be more focused on that and growing my channel. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and help your girl out. But I want to make more of an effort to like film, and that's still going to go into getting my life together, because I have to just have like plans, and I can't deviate from the time schedule that I make for myself, especially when it comes to filming and editing and all of that stuff. So, because I do it all myself, right? Like y'all know I don't have any money. But speaking of money, I also this year want to be more financially aware. Something I realized during the pandemic is that like I spend an excessive amount of money, and it's just not all right. I really need to get like my spending habits in control. And another thing is that I spend when I'm stressed. So I have to get my stress down so that I don't spend. I also stress eat. So like my main issue at this point, I guess, is being super stressed. And like I said, I cause myself a lot of stress, but that's neither here nor there. That was 2020. This is 2021. So that's just gonna like what I'm trying to do this year. Like I said, just kind of stay tuned. I'm really gonna try to show you guys like some ways that I am trying to like honestly, bottom line, get my life in control. I am about to be a full-grown adult in the working world in less than a year and a half. So I really gotta get on it and like build the like good habits that people who are successful have like right now. Like they don't just wake up and are successful, you know, they have like good habits. So that's kind of what I'm trying to do. But final thing I want to say is that I'm ultimately just trying to survive 2021. In 2020, people are trying to do too much, and like at the end of this day, like I just want to tell you guys that just do your best. Like don't listen to, you know, LLC Twitter or whatever the hell they want to call themselves. Like just do your best that you can survive. These are trying times for everyone. And I think the most bothersome thing to me is people trying to act like this is just like your regular day, like this is 2019 or something. No, like we're in the middle of a pandemic, we're in the middle of like almost the brink of civil war. Like there's just a lot of moving pieces. People are losing their jobs, their families, people are dying. Like I just think there's a lot playing, and to just try to act like the world is like, you know, going on as normal is just really unrealistic. And I think that's kind of why sometimes like I'm super unmotivated to like post on Instagram or like do a YouTube video, because I'm just like, yo, like the world is like on the brink of ending. Who cares about this makeup, you know, like who cares about this? But I am gonna try to like post more like life things and more positive things on my channel, maybe a little less makeup, because I spend a lot of money on makeup, so maybe less makeup and all that good stuff. But yeah, ultimately, those are the things that I am trying to accomplish in 2021. Sorry this video was kind of a ramble. I do talk really fast. If you guys have anything you're trying to accomplish in 2021, please comment down below. But that's really it from me. Stay tuned for more. I really hope you guys enjoyed what I had to say in this video, and that's really all from me. Please don't forget to subscribe, as I said below. Comment your thoughts down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are _. It's Gilly, and I'll see you guys next time.